afternoon, beautiful goddess. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are on this beautiful planet of ours. And welcome to our final day of our Finding Your Feet Again challenge. Now, for those of you who have watched the video yesterday, I did not realize how long I had gone for. It was 2.5 hours. For me, it felt like half an hour, 45 minutes. So I apologize for the length of the video. I knew that I had to share and give and download a lot to you, and I didn't realize how long it was going to take to share all that I was given with you. But we had a blast. It was so exciting sharing all that we did with you yesterday. And it was packed full of a lot of knowledge, codes, energies, and frequencies that we felt that you may resonate with you, that you may be able to use to help you along your journey of transcending the beautiful, beautiful person that you are. And in terms of transcending, I am talking about moving and shifting into the higher versions of who you really are. Now, today we have got another day, another few minutes or hours, I should say, but I promise I'm going to try and get this in within an hour or so that you don't become overwhelmed with all that we're sharing with you. Because I understand that some of you may have found what you learned yesterday, what we shared with you yesterday, as a bit overwhelming and so much and way above your heads, especially some of the concepts that we talked about yesterday, like the paradoxes of life, understanding of how you are the real manifester, the real creator of your own reality. Nothing else is responsible for the life experiences that you actually encounter in your life. You are the most powerful manifester, creator of your own reality. No one influences it but you. And I also talked about there is nothing outside of you, which some of you have commented that you want me to elaborate on that for you a bit. What we mean by there is nothing outside of you relates to the idea that the universe is not above you. It's not out there. Like growing up as children and as teenagers, especially from a religious point of view, we're taught that God is up above us, that God is in heaven, that the universe is out there, that everything that we need is out there. And for most humans, and it's not because of you personally, it's because of your physical mind and your physical body, is unable to really understand that concept. Hence why people find it really difficult to truly understand what the hell does that mean. When we say the universe is above us, is out there, that heaven is out there, that God is out there, the only reason people can't grasp that concept is because the physical mind and body have not been tuned into truly understanding what out there means. However, when they're saying that heaven and God and that is out there, that's just a distorted version of what we are talking about. Because there is nothing outside of you. Everything, the universe, source energy, God, the one, the absolute, whatever you call this And whatever you know this to be is inside of you. You are the physical expression of source energy of God. Yeah, there is nothing out there. It's all in here within you. So, and why do I say that? Why that everything is within you? Because you are a reflection, just a reflection of the universe, a small physical reflection of the universe. Yeah. Because you are the soul, because you are a soul, a spiritual light being that has a physical body attached to it so that you can anchor your whole dimensionality, your whole entirety within this physical body as much as you can. Into this physical body and anchor you onto this physical planet. Because if you did not have this physical body, you wouldn't be able to exist, to live on this planet physically. You live on this planet energetically and spiritually. But if you didn't send, implode, what's the word I'm looking for? Flow your energy into this physical body and then out into this physical world, you wouldn't be able to do that because you've got nothing physical to anchor yourself on this physical planet so that you can actually affect what is happening on planet every moment of your day. Yeah. So that's what I mean. There is nothing outside of you. Everything that you're experiencing is just a reflection of what you are, of what you are thinking, what you are feeling inside. And those emotions, those feelings and thoughts, and the beliefs that you have about yourself and about life are then reflected out physically into your physical world so that you can experience what it is like living on a physical planet, that you, the soul, because that's who you really are, can truly understand what it's like to be on a physical planet. Okay, so that's just a brief understanding of elaborating on that concept that there is nothing outside of you. Everything is within you, and what you're experiencing every day of your life is your beliefs that you have about yourself and about life. Okay, so I hope that helps you truly understand what we mean by that, because outside of you, everything that's outside of you, everything that you can see, touch, hear, taste, and smell is just an illusion. And it's just a holograph, a reflection of what's happening within yourself. Okay? Right, I hope that explains a little bit more. And this is a really difficult idea and concept to grasp because it took me ages to truly understand what that concept actually meant from a different perspective. Because when you truly grasp that concept, you are looking at life from a truly different perspective. Now, remember in the video yesterday, I talked about the analogy of going to movies as the audience. Yeah. So when you go and watch a movie, you see the big screen, all you're seeing on the screen as the audience is a one frame at a time of the film strip. You know how movies are created on film strips and they have different frames that are actually flowed, that actually move one after the other? Well, that's what you're seeing on the movie screen as the audience. However, when you take the perspective of the projectionist, actual person who's actually created the film, who's actually projecting that